The view of that mountain from here is absolutely stunning. Over half an hour delayed, the train is finally here. Hey everyone, Gila's Trains here and welcome to Exploring North Wales by Train, day 6. I'm off visiting the remaining mainline stations in North Wales along the North Wales coastline. They are Conwy, Llandudno Junction, Llanfairfechan, Penmaenmawr and Bangor. I've already seen on the dot matrices this morning that there is a tree blocking the line towards Bangor, so I hope it's not going to cause me any problems. Complete coincidence, the first train is my baby. It's about time 175 109 stopped avoiding me. Bye baby! Come see me again soon. I'm at Conwy. It's a request stop, Transport for Wales call here, and it's got 2 platforms. I'm just noticing my next train on the dot matrix over there is delayed. It is an interesting looking station, this. I think it's to do with the yellow on the information board. You don't expect to see yellow at a TFW station. There's a shelter which smells a bit funky and has no seats, and it has hit me that I left the food I prepared for today in my fridge at home. Frick! Just having a little wander to Conwy Castle, which you do pass really up close on the train on the way into the station. And the River Conwy runs really close by as well, obviously given the name. Was the river named after the place or the place named after the river? I would say the place is named after the river, maybe? Does that make more sense? As difficult as it is to do, I am currently trying my best to locate the beautiful Glan Conwy station right over in the distance, somewhere there. Over half an hour delayed, the train is finally here. It's 158-833. I'm at Llandudno Junction. I've been here a few times. I find it's a good spot because there is a premiere in about a 20-25 minute walk, from what I can remember, up the road. There are 4 platforms at Llandudno Junction, and as well as TFW you've also got Avanti West Coast calling here. It is staffed, although the ticket office is located between platforms 3, 2 and 1, as opposed to being at the entrance of the station. And I did find it odd the first time I came here to see that there are no ticket barriers. So I never noticed that the bus stand is labelled platform 5. That's cool, I guess. It's always really confusing when following maps trying to get to the big Tesco / Mackey's area, but because I've done it before, I think I should just about manage this time. Get off 158-836. This is a really sweet looking station. Llanfairfechan. It's got some paved flooring, a footbridge, some shelters. I like it. Oh, it's getting rather windy out. Llanfairfechan is a TFW station and it's got 2 platforms. The dot matrix over there is working, but the one that I need on this platform isn't. Anyways, shall we go to the beach? Oh my days, do you reckon that's the furthest National Rail sign away from the station itself? I literally can't get over the view of that mountain. Just requested 158836 again on its way back down from Holyhead because of course Llanfairfechan is a request stop. I'm at Penmaenmawr. Again, it's really close to the beach. I'm not going to go though because I have 2 minutes here as that train was delayed, so it's going to be a crossover the platform, quick pick and request the next one because Penmaenmawr is a request stop. Okay, there's me rushing over the bridge, but I've just seen that this one is delayed by 4 minutes, so essentially 6 minutes here. Penmaenmawr is served by Transport for Wales trains. It's got 2 platforms, it's got Harrington humps, there's also some sort of an abandoned building on platform 2 with quite a low down roof. We're at another station with a mountainous view. I'm on the final train, it's 158824. What's that? You want a Bangor? Well, tough, because I'm at Bangor. It's operated by Transport for Wales. It's got 2 platforms and a Vanty West Coast. Also call here. It's got a sign over there with some fancy Bangor lettering, which would make a perfect picture so you can show off that you've all been to Bangor. There's also toilets, a ticket machine. There is, I believe, a ticket office, I'm not sure exactly where, and a post box. Pan radísin Bangor, radísin roi snickers Irish pen, radísin roi snickers Irish pen, radísin roi snickers Irish pen. Pan radísin Bangor, radísin roi snickers Irish pen, ac radísin Griffey, Mummy Squishy! I have a fear of lifts, but did I just get in a lift to escape having to go past everybody on the platform? Yes! Bangor is the busiest station in the whole of North Wales, which again is why I'm surprised there are no ticket barriers. Okay, I found the ticket office, it's just at the bottom of the stairs. Last time I came here, I walked along the Menai Straits, which took me to the Menai Bridge. I'm doing exactly the same this time round, although instead of following a map, I'm trying to remember the way from last time, but in saying it, last time I accidentally ended up getting slightly lost in some student accommodation area. As if this is a bus stop. I wish we had bus stops like this at the Wigan, plus a shelter. It has just started to rain. The tree that was blocking the line didn't actually scupper up my day. It did cause me a few delays, but all that meant was that I had less time to spend at the following stations, which didn't really cause me any issues. And I've kept bumping into the TFW staff all day, and honestly, they are absolute gems. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys! Thank you very much for watching. Bye, bye! I can't even walk off because I'm holding the camera. Gee!